In the heat of summer, have you ever wanted a pie that is cold and refreshing rather than baked and hot? Sure, you can bake a pie and you can put some ice cream on it, and that's great for spring and winter and maybe even fall. But in the summer, it's hot. You need something else. On this episode of Ghost Host Kitchen, we are going to make an easy no-bake pink lemonade pie, and it all starts with 1 can pink lemonade concentrate. Now you may wonder why we use pink lemonade. Well, it's a little different. You could make this same pie with regular lemonade, but pink just gives it a little different. Into that lemonade concentrate, you're going to add 1 container of whipped topping, i.e. Cool Whip, and a can of evaporated milk. And then you're going to stir until it is all mixed together. Now, the interesting thing about pink lemonade is, well, that it's pink. Typically, lemons they're not pink. They're kind of a yellow. Even the insides of them aren't pink. So where'd pink lemonade come from? There's a couple of theories, but the one that seems to make the most sense is that in the 19th century, there was a guy who was making lemonade and he spilled a bottle of cinnamon into it. Gave it a red color. Less generously, it's said that circus performers would wash their tights, their red tights, in wash tubs of lemonade to get the stains out, acid in lemons. So, anyway, you're going to mix this stuff a lot because you want a good, even consistency, and you want it to be smooth. You don't want to find pieces or parts of your pie that aren't mixed. So while we finish mixing this, let me invite you to subscribe, hit the notify button, and hit the like button. That way you always get every episode from Ghost Host Kitchen. We really appreciate you doing that. So now that you have gotten your filling well mixed, you're going to put it into a pie crust. Now this can be one that you make yourself. We are using a graham cracker pie crust that came from the store. By the way, this recipe will make 2 pies. We're going to show you one though. So pour that into your pie crust, fill it up as full as you like, and that's it. The next thing you're going to want to do is put it in your refrigerator, or if you like a little special treat, put it in your freezer. It won't freeze solid, but it'll be really, really cold. That's it. Thanks for watching this episode of Ghost Host Kitchen.